Welcome back, future criminologists. In this video, we will be discussing the introductory part of crimes against public order. Crimes against public order. The crimes against public order is governed by Title 3 of the Revised Penal Code. The crimes against public order involve political crimes. Ang mga krimen na nakapaloob sa crimes against public order ay political crimes. Ano ba ang political crimes? Political crimes are those directly aimed against the political order, as well as such common crimes as may be committed to achieve a political purpose. The decisive factor is the intent or motive. Ito yung mga krimen laban sa kapayapaan at kaayusan ng isang bansa. Para makonsider siyang political crime, nakadepende sa intent or motive ng mga offenders. Halimbawa, ang homicide per se ay common crime at hindi political crime. However, kung yung mga offenders resort to homicide para agawan ng kapangyarihan ng Pangulo, the act of homicide will no longer be considered common crime at masasama na siya sa political crime na rebellion. I will discuss in detail rebellion and other political crimes in our next videos. May dalawang klase ang political crimes. First, political crimes proper, and second, crimes of political coloration. Political crimes proper refer to the crimes of rebellion, coup d'etat, sedition, and their derivative lesser offenses of conspiracy, proposal, and inciting. Ito yung mga mismong crime under crimes against public order. Crimes of political coloration, on the other hand, refer to ordinary crimes committed in furtherance or on the occasion of a political crime proper. Halimbawa nito ay yung example natin kanina na homicide. We said a while ago that crimes against public order is governed by Title 3 of the Revised Penal Code. Title 3 is composed of 7 chapters. They are Chapter 1, Rebellion, Sedition, and Disloyalty, which punishes the crimes of rebellion or insurrection, coup d'etat, conspiracy and proposal to commit coup d'etat, rebellion, or insurrection, disloyalty of public officers or employees, inciting a rebellion or insurrection, sedition, conspiracy to commit sedition, and inciting to sedition. Chapter 2, Crimes against Popular Representation, which punishes the crimes of act tending to prevent the meeting of the Congress and similar bodies, disturbance of proceedings, and violation of parliamentary immunity. Chapter 3, Illegal Assemblies and Associations, which punishes the crimes of illegal assemblies and illegal associations. Chapter 4, Assault upon and resistance and disobedience to persons in authority and their agents, which punishes the crimes of direct assaults, indirect assaults, disobedience to summons issued by the Congress, its committees or subcommittees, by the constitutional commissions, its committees, subcommittees, or divisions, and resistance and disobedience to a person in authority or the agents of such person. Chapter 5, Public Disorders, which punishes the crimes of tumults and other disturbance of public orders, unlawful use of means of publication and unlawful utterances, alarms and scandals, and delivery of prisoners from jails. Chapter 6, Evasion of Service of Sentence, which punishes the crimes of evasion of service of sentence, evasion of service of sentence on the occasion of disorder, conflagration, earthquakes, or other calamities, and other cases of evasion of service of sentence. Chapter 7. Commission of another crime during service of penalty imposed for another previous offense, which punishes quasi-recidivism. Di ko alam kung bakit kasama itong chapter na ito dito, pero yes, kasama po siya. Again, I will discuss each crime in our future videos. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.